Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You can do a lot of things in 9 months. You can create a human life, you can become a pharmacy technician, or you can do what I'm doing and make a 9-month update video on your second FUE hair transplant. So let's get right to it. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, my name is Moises and I've had 2 hair transplants. I had one in August of 2018 and then I had a second hair transplant in August of 2019. And I'm discussing the results of the second hair transplant. I'm now at the 9-month mark and I'm here to show you guys my results. So let's get right to it. I'll zoom in and show you how it looks. Alright, so I woke up this morning and just put a little bit of hairspray in it. I mean, after the shower, I showered, of course. You know, I am civilized. So there's a tiny bit of hairspray in it, and this is how it looks. So it's looking very nice, very thick, very natural. I'm gonna run my hands through it so you guys can see. It acts just like normal hair, you know. Your transplanted hair is still your hair. I want to make that clear because some of you guys have, you know, the hair transplant and then you're scared if the grafts are going to take. You know, the grafts are your own hair. It's your own, you know, DNA strands being just moved from back here to the front. So, you know, your hair, your body's job is to keep you alive, and that includes grafts. So when you have a hair transplant, just know your body's on your side. It's trying to make you thrive, and it's trying to keep every part of you alive, and that includes transplanted hairs. So some of you need to chill, you know, when you have these transplants, because just know your body's not your enemy. It's your best ally. So let it do its job and give time. So as you can see, the grafts look really good. Very natural. Yeah, look at that. It just looks great. So let's see. All right, so now I'm gonna do the 360. I'm gonna go the other direction this time just to be different. All right, so this is my right side. As you can tell, there's like no evidence of any scarring here. That's how it looks on the back. Same thing. And I did have my hair trimmed. I used a 1.5. So that's how it looks after 1.5. But that was a week ago, so it's grown in since then. And then finally, that's how it looks on this side. And back to me. Oh yeah, let's do the wetness test. So I have my trusty Windex here to make my hair shiny. And here goes. Oh yeah. It's like an indoor shower. But aren't all showers indoors? Aren't those things that make you go, All right. So, let's see.
Get a little wetter. See, I'm gonna
zoom in now. So, looks really good. Totally like slick back. Yeah, look, like there's like no gaps. It's just totally looking fresh and proper. SA. In my high school, there were a lot of gang members. Sometimes they'd be like, "Sup, SA?" So now I look like an SA, right? So now I'm gonna give you guys some advice on how to have a successful hair transplant. And one of the #1 things I want to get across is that if you decide to do this, if you decide to have a hair transplant, you have to go into this with a mindset of success. I know a lot of you guys see me and they see Fred Reilly and the other guys that have gone to HMR, and you're like, yeah, they got good results, but it'll be just my luck. I'll be that 1 in 1,000 or that 1 in 1,000,000 that'll have the bad results. Get rid of that garbage thinking right now. You can't think that way. If you decide to get a hair transplant, you have to go into it with a mindset of success. You have to go in thinking this hair transplant will be for my highest good. It's gonna come out looking great. I mean, if you don't go in with that mindset, then why even bother doing it? Go into it thinking like a winner, and you will come out with results that are, reflective of a winning mindset. So when I went and did this, I didn't go thinking, oh, I'm gonna go to HMR, and even though the place is legit, I'm probably gonna get bad results. I mean, what kind of a thinking is that? Don't think that way. Think in this way. Think, I'm going to a place that's legit, because HMR is. It's like a great place. The Cortez brothers are awesome. They're there to help you. Everybody wants you to succeed. The nurses there, the doctors there. You want this to be a success. It's like everybody's on your side. So why are you going to put your own self against you? Because that's what you're doing when you go in with a bad mindset. So that's really important. Go in with the mindset of a winner. Go in with the mindset that this is going to be a successful hair transplant. And it will. It will become a self-fulfilling prophecy. Because like I've said in other videos, when you worry, you destroy, your body's ability to heal, because the stress hormones are released, and your body then turns on you. And you don't want that. You want your body aiding you, and your body wants to aid you. But like I said, the mind has incredible powers. So do your part in helping your body help you, is what I'm trying to say. All right, so now I want to do some shout outs to my FUE squad. All right, first shout out to the original gangster, the original OG, Fred Reilly. All right, man, love your videos. Keep them coming. Next shout out to El Tío Juan Carlos. Keep going, churn out those videos. You're becoming bigger and bigger every day, I see. Next shout out to Rowan Wicks. I think your next video is going to come out like any day now. It seems like all our videos seem to clump up together and come out like around the same span of few days, because we all went around the middle of the month. Next shout out to Kevin Moore. Same thing. I think your video's coming out. Keep churning out those videos. Show us your results. And I think that is... Oh no, I forgot my pal from down under, Andy from Australia, or from Hair Today. Back at ya, Andy. So guys, check out their channels. They also went to HMR, and they're on this hair journey too, and they're all cool YouTubers, all right? So anyways, that's it for now. My name's Moises Amaya. Another video hair update in a month. And everyone stay safe and take care of yourselves. And I'm out.